Can you solve this real Plat-Arch-206 exam-style question? Let's find out. And get you exam ready with practice questions that actually matter. This is for anyone studying the Salesforce Heroku Architect certification, whether you're new to Heroku or an experienced consultant wanting to pass faster. Question 1. Global Application Latency. Universal Containers, UC, is opening offices in Japan and Germany. This will allow them to serve new customers in Asia and in Europe. UC is concerned about application latency for their new customers, especially because the app serves large amounts of dynamic content. Which Heroku Enterprise feature should an architect recommend to alleviate this concern? A. Create Salesforce orgs in each region and use Heroku Connect to link them. B. Deploy instances of their applications into private spaces in Tokyo and Frankfurt. C. Deploy a globally distributed CDN in front of the application. D. Create a Heroku pipeline to mirror the app and its data in each region. Solution: Heroku private spaces for global reach. B. By deploying apps into private spaces in Tokyo and Frankfurt, you bring applications closer to users. This reduces latency, improves dynamic performance, and supports data residency requirements in regulated regions, going beyond what CDNs can offer. Challenge 2. Dynamic Dyno routing. Consider an application running with two web dynos, Dyno A and Dyno B. An initial request from a client is routed to Dyno A. When the same client sends a subsequent request, which dyno is it most likely routed to? A. The request is routed to Dyno A, provided the first request has completed. B. The request is routed randomly to either Dyno A or Dyno B. C. The request is always routed to Dyno A. D. The request is always routed to Dyno B. Solution: Heroku's load-balanced distribution. When a client sends a request, Heroku's router load balances it across dynos using round-robin or least connections. Each request is stateless and independent, ensuring optimal resource use, smooth scaling, and no single dyno bottleneck. Challenge 3. Enhancing database performance. Heroku applications often rely on robust data management. Understanding the capabilities of database provide: A. A static snapshot of the leader. B. An in-memory snapshot of the leader. C. A read-only replica of the leader. Solution: Heroku Postgres. Read replicas. C. Followers are read-only replicas of your primary database, kept in sync asynchronously. They're perfect for scaling read-heavy apps, running analytics, or serving as a warm standby for disaster recovery. By offloading reads to followers, you ease the load on your primary, boosting performance and reliability. Challenge 4. Heroku Connect mapping updates. A Heroku application utilizes Heroku Connect to integrate with data from a Salesforce org. Recently, several fields from the Salesforce objects that were mapped using Connect have been removed. The development team plans to reload the mapping using Heroku Connect. What is a key implication of reloading this mapping? A. The mapped tables in Heroku Postgres will continue to store the previously synchronized data, and synchronization will restart normally. B. The mapped tables in Heroku Postgres will be truncated as part of the reload action. The data in removed fields will be lost, and synchronization will pause until manually restarted. C. The mapped tables in Heroku Postgres will continue to store the previously synchronized data, but synchronization will pause until manually restarted. D. The mapped tables in Heroku Postgres will be truncated as part of the reload action. The data in removed fields will be lost, and synchronization will restart normally. Solution: Seamless schema updates with Heroku Connect. A. When you refresh the schema, Heroku Connect simply updates the mapping for changes like removed Salesforce fields. Your existing data in Heroku Postgres stays safe. Nothing is deleted or truncated. Syncing then continues automatically, ensuring smooth, uninterrupted data flow without any manual restart. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. Good luck. See you in the next one.